Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
You cannot tell us that you do not remember that. And if you tell us that, I'm saying directly to you and to your face that you are lying.
Ijaji uMbuyiseli Madlanga ligcine litshela ufakazi uSayitsheni ufana inkosi emakhaleni ukuthi usengemithiyo. Ngesikhathi ebuzwa ngumlayezo awuthumela kumngano kaOpa Sifuka waziwa ngoDJ Sambodi kulandela ukubulawa kwakhe eGoli ngo-2022.
We are also here to restore the dignity and the belonging.
Bekuyinhloko yodwa ngesikhathi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ehola umcimbi wokunikeza amakhulu emndeni amatayitela emzumkhulu eningizimu yesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal.
When I heard this, I felt that we needed to come as a party.
Ubuholi beqembu umkhonto wesizwe buhambele ePulukwane eLimpopo buyobhonga emswaneni ngemva kokuthi kwedlule emhlabeni umamncane womholi we-EFF Julius Malema. Nabenkungu emnyama embathi intaba zomzimba kwangwane kwaze kwasa umntana enkosi uGuduze Gedezeli yanqaphaza iyanqabe kaMdlokombana libumbene lomkhothi ihora siyakhulekane nabendlula amithi yamakhosi edlule ezinye ngentamo nasi indaba. Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga sizwe ukuthi uSayitsheni Fani Inkosi wophiko lwamacala obugebengu obuhleliwe wathumela umlayezo waye umngani kaMufi uOpa DJ Sambodi Sifuka embuza ukuthi kungani wayengamkhuzi ngaphambi kokuthi abulawe. Unkosi ungene intangeni uma ikhomishana ifuna incazelo ecacile ngalokhu nokugcina ngokuthi uSayitsheni Inkosi akhulume iqiniso.
Usihlalo wekhomishana ijaji uMbuyiseli Madlanga utshele uSayitsheni Nkosi ukuthi usengezimithiyo uma ethakasa khumbula ukuthi wayechaza ukuthini ngomlayezo awuthumelela umphole kukela owayengumngane omkhulu kaDJ Sambodi. Umlayezo kaNkosi wawuthi kungani ungazange umkhosi. uDJ Sambodi wabulawa ngesihluku ngesikhathi eshawa ngoyaba lwezinhlamvu.
This is something out of the ordinary, so to speak. And you write and you say, why didn't you call him to order? Surely you remember that. You cannot tell us that you do not remember that. And if you tell us that, I'm saying directly to you and to your face that you are lying. Please try to come up with a different answer, which is more plausible. Otherwise, you are just telling us lies.
Ikhomishana ithe uma ibuye ekhefini uSayitsheni Nkosi ubesenayo ke incazelo ebifuneka.
I did manage to phone Mr. Lekukela, whom I was talking to that time. He just reminded a bit that we were talking about how he could have warned the deceased of not interfering with people's girlfriends.
uSayitsheni Fani Inkosi uqede usuku lwesihlanu namhlanje lokhu ephekwe ngembuzo phambi kwekhomishana. Kulindeleke ukuthi aphinde aqhubeke ngomsombuluko.
Bekuyinhloko yodwa ngesikhathi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ehola umcimbi wokunikeza amakhulu emndeni amatayitela emzimkhulu eningizimu yesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal.
uRamaphosa uthi lolu akulona usuku lwenjabulo nje kuphela njengoba abantu bezothola ithuba lokuphindela emhlabeni woyisemkhulu kepha luphinde lube yithuba lokuthoba amanxeba ashwa isikhathi sohulumeni sobandlululo. Uthi lokhu kuyisinyathelo esibalekile sokuletha ubulungiswa.
We are also here to restore the dignity and the belonging.
uRamaphosa usenxuse osomabhizinisi ezweni lonke ukuthi basebenzisane nalabo ababuyiselwe umhlaba ukuze umsebenzi kahulumeni uqhubeke nokuthela izithelo.
The business community across our country should be in the forefront of forging partnerships that help to ensure that our land reform and rural economic initiatives bear the fruits
Imndeni ehlomule kulolu hlelo lokubuyiselwa komhlaba ethi lolu hambo lube lude kangangokuba abanye abanikazi balomhlaba sebashona.
Lo mhlaba kudala sasuswa kubo kabuhlungu. Otatomkhulu abasekho khange bayibone lento sikuyo.
Ukusibuyisela kwenu umhlaba kungekho lutho enithi asilusebenze ngayo kuyofana nokunikezela usana kunini. Sifuna ukuthi ke namhlanje ama-grants minister president emaphakatheni wenu siyacela ukuthi nisinike ukuze lo mphakathi wasemzimkhulu ngelinye ilanga uthi ngokufika kwakho president sayibona intuthuko emzimkhulu.
Yize kuthathe iminyaka ecishe bengama-30 ekugcineni izakhamuzi zasemzimkhulu sezithole ubulungiswa.
Umholi we-MK Party uJacob Zuma kanye neqembu lakhe bahambele emndenini womholi we-EFF uJulius Malema ePolokwane kulandela ukudlula emhlabeni kadadewabo omncane kamama kaMalema, uMartha Malema. uMartha Malema udlule emhlabeni ngomsombuluko kulo leli sonto kanti uzofihlwa kuyona le mpelasonto.
Umholi weqembu umkhonto wesizwe uJacob Zuma ufike ehamba namalungu eqembu lakhe njengoba ubeyobhonga emswaneni emndenini kalowo umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema kulandela ukudlula emhlabeni kadadewabo kamama kaMalema, uMartha Malema. Udadewabo kamama kaMalema wazalwa mhla zingama-20 kuMasingana ngo-1972 udlule emhlabeni mhla ziyi-16 insuku kuyo lenyanga. Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lifike sebevele begcwele ngaphandle komuzi abalandeli be-Economic Freedom Fighters.
When I heard this, I felt that we needed to come as a party, to come and be with our brother here, the president, as well as the family and the party.
uZuma uthathele lithuba wagcizelela ubumqoka bokubambisana kwabantu bebalensundu kuleli. Kwathi izimbono yabantu ingafani futhi emaningi ngokuhlukana kwawo amaqembu kufanele kube khona lapho okuhlanganwa khona. Umholi we-EFF ubonge kakhulu lamazwi kaZuma.
Even if we are in different parties, I don't think we could fail to work together in order to be the ones who share the freedom of our country.
We fully agree with the message that the president has shared with all of us here and the family. This is how we as Africans do our things.
Uzobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina khona ePolokwane ngesonto.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Chris uthi ababhekela ukugcinwa komthetho bazotshalwa ngalo zonke ngempelasonto yephasika. Ungqongqoshe bekhuluma eSpread View emgwaqeni othela wayeka uN3 esifundazweni eGauteng lapho ethule khona umkhankaso wezokuphepha emgwaqeni ngesikhathi sephasika.
Impelasonto yephasika ingenye yezikhathi ezimatasa kakhulu emgwaqeni yakuleli njengoba izinkulungwane zamakholwa zisuke zibhekise amabombo emabandleni ehlukene. Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Chris ugcizelele ukuthi bazobe bethe ichithi saka abaqapha ukuthotshelwa kwemthetho yomgwaqo ngalesikhathi sonyaka.
We have mobilized all forces throughout the country, from small local traffic departments, metropolitan police, provincial traffic, and the South African police services. And all of these forces are being coordinated through the National Road Safety Steering Committee. And that safety committee, it doesn't just work over these festive periods. It's now working 365 days a year.
Nokho uChris uthi izibalo zakamuva zikhombisa ukwehla kwezingozi zomgwaqo eminyakeni eyisithupha edlule.
The number of crashes has declined by 11% overall, and all provinces have reported a reduced number of road accidents.
Abashayeli bezimoto bathi imqoka imkhankaso efana nalona.
I always teach them that if you are driving, you check the car in front, yours at the back, at the front, on the right, on the left, and you think for another driver. That is very important to make sure that you are safe.
Ungqongqoshe uChris uthi umnyango wakhe uhlose unciphisa ukushona kwabantu emgwaqeni ngesigamo ngaphambi kokuthi kufike unyaka u2030.
Bekwehlukene imibono ePhalamende ngesikhathi kuqhubeka inkulumo mpikiswano phakathi kwamaqembu ezombusazwe ngohlangothi okumele lithathwe iNingizimu Afrika empini eqhubekayo phakathi kweMelika, iIsrael kanye neIran.
Ibosa iphakamise inxalabo yokungajikajiki isithi uMzantsi Afrika kumele usebenzise insika zamalungelo oluntu ngokulinganayo ukuba ngokwenene awukhethi icala njengokubanga.
This question asks all of us who stand for human rights, who sit at the center, to say we will not be hypocritical when we take the stance.
I-MK Party ithi kufuneka lilunyukelwe ifuthe lamazwe angaphandle igqamisa imiphumela lempixano ngokuthe gabalala kuqoqosho loMzantsi Afrika kunye nokuzimela ngokobuzwe.
We resist attempts for our country to be used as puppets of imperialists.
I-DA igxekile ekumelwe ngurhulumente ixoxa ngelithi uyasilela equbisaneni nezigrogriso zokhuseleko eziphuma kwi-Iran kunye namahlakani ayo.
But in this global uncertainty, South Africa's response to the Iran war rings hollow.
I-EFF igxeke kabukhali ifuthe lamazwe asentshona isithi uMzantsi Afrika unoxanduva lokuthetha phandle ugxeke ukuntlokothiswa ngamazwe azibona enobunganga kwihlabathi.
For how long must the world stand still in the face of imperialism? The world is bending right under the weight of American and Israeli imperialism, apartheid and naked genocide. As South Africa, we have a historical moral duty to speak out. Silence is complicit, and complicit is betrayal. Betrayal of our own history and our own struggle for freedom.
I-ANC ithi lengxaki ibangelo luhlaselo lomkhosi lokutshanje isithi luphazamise ufakano milomo oluqhubayo.
The US and Israel, despite the fact that all and sundry accepted that negotiations were going well with Iran, from nowhere then they attacked Iran, and that is why we are here where we are here today.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumkhokeli bandla ndiseParlamente.
uDeirdre Uren oseqokwe njengesikhulu esiphezulu sophiko lwendaba eSABC kusukela ngomhla lulunye kuMbasa. uUren owaziwa ngelikadi ubesebambe kulesi sikhundla kusukela ngomhla lulunye kuMasingana ngonyaka odlule. Nalapho ekhombise khona ubuholo obuqotho nobulethe uzinzo ophikweni lwendaba zala eSABC. Usasebenzela umsakazelo womphakathi iminyaka engaphezulu kwama-30 kanti iningi lalesikhathi usichithe seyikhundleni zokuhola kuyo lenhlangano esakaza ngomoya. Simfisela okuhle kodwa ke kulesi sikhundla uDi. Mbokela sisiqoye itolo unganyakazi siyabuya nezinye indaba. Asikubingelela sikwamukele mbukeli ngosanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ijaji uMbuyiseli Madlanga ligcine litshela ufakazi uSayitsheni Fani Inkosi ezimakhaleni ukuthi usenge imithiyo ngesikhathi ebuzwa ngomlayezo awuthumela kumngani kaOpa DJ Sambodi Sifoka kulandela ubulawo kwakhe eGoli ngonyaka u2022. Bukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo baso. Ibhodi lesikhwama ingonyama trust lithi lizonikela enkantolo ukuyophosela inselelo isinqumo sokuhlakazwa kwalo nelithi akukho semthethweni. Lesinyathelo silandela isinqumo esiphume kuleli sonto sikanqonqosho ezokubuyiswa komhlaba umzwana lenyonzo sokuhlakaza leli bhodi.
Sana nesinqumo sokuhlakaza lixwayisa ngokuthi lokhu kungaba nemphumela emibi.
This is not defiance, it is the fidelity to rule of law. The board understands and takes seriously its mandate to administer the trust for the benefit, material welfare, and social well-being of communities for whom the land is held. That is precisely why it will not be shaken by unlawful tactics, administrative improvisation, or manufactured narratives of dysfunction. This is not a lawless space.
Ibhodi lithi izinqubo ezifanele azilandelwanga futhi lesi senzo sibeka engcupheni ukuzinza kwalesi sikhungo.
Ikhona imisebenzi besesiqalile phecelezi ama-program. Bekukhona nabatshali izimali abathi hayi bona bayasaba ukuthi beze kwaZulu Natal mase sithi hayi wozani phela sivula inkundla manje na ukuthi kube khona amabhizinisi laba abavela ngaphandle bebethi nje kodwa sakusebenza lokho.
Iziphathimandla zithi isinqumo sokuhlakazwa kwebhodi asithathwanga kalula. Lokhu kulandela izinsolo zendlulamithi zokungaphathwa kahle kwezimali okwaholela ekutheni bungathenjwa ubuholi bebhodi.
Sichithile ngoba le bhodi okokuqala le bhodi lwayodwa. Okwesibili le bhodi ayimhloniphi ukumkani wamaZulu. Ngelo xesha ukumkani uyi-sole trustee yale bhodi. Ukwangusihlalo wale bhodi kodwa iyamkhupha ecaleni le bhodi.
Unyonso uphinde waqinisekisa ukuthi isinqumo sakhe sisekelwe yisilo kanye noNdunankulu wakwaZulu Natal umnumzana uThamsanqa Ntuli. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eMgungundlovu.
Namhlanje uNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uAaron Mthwaledi uhambele esibhedlela saseMankweng eLimpopo kuyohalalisela ithimba lodokotela kulandela ukuhlukunyezwa ngempumelelo kwamawele azalwe ehlangene ngesifuba.
Amawele abezelwe ehlangene agcina ehlukaniswe ngempumelelo kuleli sonto. Dokotela Nyaweleni Chief Laro okungiyena obehola ithimba lodokotela ebeliqhuba uhlelo lokwehlukanisa kwamawele uthi bathole okukhulu ukwesekwa kulomsebenzi bathathe amahora ayisishiyagalombili.
Limpopo is my home, and when I acquired these skills, the challenge has always been, if I go home, will I be able to do this? And this is what many specialists also ask themselves.
Everybody was involved in ensuring that the mother is reassured, the anxiety is alleviated. So even post-op, we managed to speak to the mother. The mother was very happy seeing the results of the babies. And even when we were presenting the presents that we got for the babies, the mother was overwhelmed.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Aaron Mthwaledi namhlanje ubehambele esibhedlela eMankweng ukuzozibonela ngokwakhe umsebenzi owenziwe ngodokotela. Ubese ekhuthaza ukuthi kufanele izibhedlela zikahulumeni zihlinzekwe ngezinsiza kusebenza zeqophelo eliphezulu ukuze zikwazi ukubhekana kangcono nokuhlinzwa kweziguli.
We deprived public hospitals of facilities and resources. Facilities and resources, and started investing in private healthcare in the country, where we believe in public hospitals we have got people who are not knowledgeable.
Amawele asaqhubeka nokuthola ukunakekelwa kanti lilodwa lawo selikhishiwe emshinini lapho asagcinwe khona.
I-Democratic Alliance imemezele ukhathiselo uRussellingwane njengozongenela umbango wesobumeya ekuruleni. uRussellingwane uphinde walandisa umphakathi ngokuthi ukukhulele emjondolo kwamenza wanentshisekelo okuyibophezela ekuloleni impilo engcono.
I-Democratic Alliance ikhuluma nabezindaba lapho ngumholi waleliqembu eGauteng uSoli Msimanga ebalule ngezinselele ezisakhungethe isifundazwe yize abantu sebephila ngaphansi kwahulumeni wentando yabantu.
This is a place where you go to Wattville and you found that millions of rents and thousands of jobs were created, but right now thousands of people are languishing in poverty because of government's failure to ensure that they take care of the most basics in order to make sure that the people can live a dignified life.
Kuphinde kwethula ngokusemthethweni uKhathuchelo uRussellingwane omenyezelwe njengozongenela umbango wesikhundla sobumeya ekuruleni emele iDA okhetheni lohulumeni bezindawo.
Help me welcome your new mayoral candidate for the 2026 local government in Ekurhuleni, Mayor Khathuchelo Russellingwane.
uRussellingwane uzakalisa ukuthobeka ngokuthenjwa kwakhe yiqembu ngesinqumo salo.
For so many people, such grinding poverty breaks their spirit. But for me, Muriting Informal Settlement did something so different. It engraved in me the lady that stands before you. It prepared me and it ignited the fire for fighting for justice.
Uthe okuzoba seqhulwini kubo uhlelo lokuthuthukiswa kwedolobha eKuruleni.
Solo wesibili ecaleni lokubulawa kwaSenzomeyi wobungantanzi usamile kwelokuthi wayengeke athathe ikhefu emsebenzini bese ihlalele eGauteng. Lokho kuza emva kokuthi umbuso uqhubeka nokuphosela inselele ufakazi bakhe.
uNtanzi umile kwelokuthi wayekwaZulu Natal ngesikhathi kubulawa uSenzomeyi eFosloras. Umshoshisi uAdvocate George Baloyi uthi uNtanzi ushiye izizathu ezibalekile zokuvakashela kwaZulu Natal ebufakazini bakhe.
Osekatona ngeke ngicela amalanga amahlanu la ngicela ukuhlala eGolini.
when Advocate Mshololo asked you your whereabouts on the 26th of October 2014, you answered that since it has been established that you were not at work, you must have been home, but you never gave the version that you had ceremonies to perform. We therefore posit to you, Mr. Ntanzi, that your version that you were at your home village in KwaZulu-Natal for the period starting 25 October 2014 to 31 October 2014 is untrue.
uNtanzi uzoqhubeka nokuhlonywa imibuzo ngomsombuluko.
Mbukeli sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona namuhla kusasa bakhona oza kwethu nezindaba ngolumi lwesiXhosa wena usale kahle.